Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I would like to let you know about an Excel feature that you might not have heard of before, and that is a custom view. The sample file I'm using is called Views, and you can find a download link for that in the video description below. This workbook contains a worksheet that has sales data based on quarter for the years 2023 and 2024. If I want to record exactly this worksheet appearance and also any print settings and that sort of thing, then I can create a custom view. So I'll go to the View tab of the ribbon, and then in the Workbook Views group, I'll click Custom Views. That displays the Custom Views dialog box, and here I can click Add, and then I can include in the views the print settings and any hidden rows, columns, and filter settings. I always leave those checked. I've never seen a reason to turn them off. And then for name, I'll just say Zoom 200, and I say that because the zoom level, which you see here at the bottom right, is at 200%. So I'll click OK, and my custom view has been recorded. Now I will change the zoom level. So I'm at 110%, and then go back to custom views. The custom view is highlighted, click show, and it's been restored. So if you have a specific view of a worksheet that works best for a presentation or other purposes, you can record it, display the worksheet, and then bring it back using the custom views dialog box. And you might wonder why you haven't heard of custom views before. Well, there are a couple of reasons. The first is that Excel doesn't tend to be used for presentations all that much, so the views aren't that important. The second reason, and this one actually does limit the usefulness of views, is that they don't work with Excel tables. So if I change the data list to an Excel table by clicking a cell, going to the Home tab, clicking Format as Table, clicking a table style, then click OK. My data is now stored in an Excel table. And if I go to View, you'll see that Custom Views has been inactivated. It is in gray, and I can't click it. And that's because I have an Excel table in the worksheet. If I were to then go to the Table Design Contextual tab, in the Tools group, there is Convert to Range. So I'll click that, I get a confirmation dialog box, I'll click OK, and even though the formatting hasn't changed, what was an Excel table is now back to being a data list. So I don't get the contextual menu on the ribbon. Now if I go back to View, you'll see that Custom Views has been restored, and I could redisplay the Zoom 2000 view, although in this case it's already applied, so I can just click Close and continue on with my work. If you use Excel for presentations and you don't use Excel tables, then custom views are an excellent way to get exactly the look that you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.